Hey Huns, welcome to my channel. I have another wig to show you. In the package it came with this flyer for crochet hair in the invoice. This wig was literally $20.95. It's the Sensational Empress free part lace wig called Brooklyn, and I got in the color 1B. It says you can shift the part so you can do a left, center, or right part. It also comes in 8 other colors. The first time I got this wig was from my BRATZ Halloween makeup video, and this color is 99J, which is brown with burgundy highlights. If you want to check out this video, I will leave the link in the description below. Okay, so now I'm going to take her out of the box. There were a couple of blondish white strands on it. I don't know if you can tell. But this wig is really long. I love the curl pattern. It's soft and has a little sheen so it doesn't look dry. The lace is soft too, so that's good for comfort. It has long baby hairs. If you like that, I don't really care about them because I use my own edges anyway. And there's 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. And there are adjustable straps. This is before and this is after adjusting it so it fits snug on my head. I just cut off the lace. Now I'm going to show you what the wig looks like before doing anything else to it. And it's looking like an Amazon wig right now, so we're gonna need to do some work. So I'm pushing the wig back right behind my hairline so I can comb out my edges. This makes the wig look like it's not just sitting on my head. There was like no visibility of a part really right now, and I don't want to tweeze it, so I'm going to use my concealing foundation, what I always use, and it's almost gone, to open the part up. And this part does have potential because it goes back far, and I think that's rare on cheap synthetic wigs, so I'm pleased. When you unpack wigs, I have like this hump from being folded, which is so annoying. So I'm using 1 bobby pin on both sides and pinning it flat to my braid underneath. And then I just cover up the area with the hair. And I'm taking some hair from the middle and putting it on the sides to eliminate the hump so the hair looks proportionate to my head, if that makes sense. Now I'm just straightening out the part. Now it's starting to look like we want it. Pushing the wig back behind the hairline just makes it look 10 times more realistic. And now for my favorite part, finger combing. I'm spreading out the curls so they're less defined. I needed to use a lighter powder foundation because my part looked too dark and not natural looking, so I'm blending this in to make it match the color of my forehead more. So mean and serious. Oh, while doing this, I did get a few strands of shedding, but that's reasonable for synthetic and curly hair. And detangles really easily too. But this is all the hair pushed to the front. The wig is not real thick, but it's not thin either. I'm going to use some mousse. This is by Cream of Nature, and I'm going to slick the top of the wig down. Then I'm going to apply some to the rest of the hair to make the waves pop more. I noticed that on the bottom of the wig the waves are more defined, but at the top it looks like the curls dropped and it looks dry. So I'm going to add some more mousse to help bring the curls back to life. And adding this does add a nice subtle luster and shine to the hair. make sure to get the ends too. This made the hair smell so good. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my Cantu Edge Control Gel to slick my edges down in the front. I tried to do a swoop, but I just didn't like the way it looked with this style, so I ended up pushing them back. Here's the back. As you can see, it goes past my butt, and I'm going to give you a side view. Yeah, there's more shedding, but this is it. This is all I'm going to do. I think it looks natural enough, and I didn't cut, pluck, or glue anything. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you have any suggestions on anything you'd like me to do, let me know as well. Of course, subscribe so you know when I post new videos, and thank you for watching. See you later.